Hi everyone, this is Syed Mazhari, UR 16 CS 173. Today I am going to say about the linked list. Linked list in linked list we will as usual, we perform operations like added beginning, deleted end, added position, deleted beginning, deleted end. So first we are as we know as include I was to using and defining a class name called list, and in private we are defining structure node. Means a node it consists of a data and its pointer. So initializing a data and node dot next means a next node, and every node first node has one head file in which the first node data is stored, and we are initializing a node dot temp means one temporary file. So first if in public we are doing if head is not equal to 0 means if head is not equal to means in first node some data is there. In if head is equal to 0 na no node in first node no data, and it won't point to anyone, so whole list will be empty. So we are taking head is not equal to 0 and we are doing operation add. So we are giving a one, we are defining temp dot data is in data, and temp dot next is not equal to 0, head is equal to 1. So we can add any program, and now we are doing an operation called add at beginning. Temp is equal to new node means we are creating a new node and it's called temp, and in the temp dot data means that the data is data o, and then temp dot next is equals to head, and head temp means we are adding. So as we know the first head will point to first node. So if we so here see temp dot next is equal to, so the new node is the head is pointing to new node, it will show head is equal to temp because temp is equal to same temp is equal to new node. Add at means at last node we should add as usually with before adding at last node it won't point to anyone, it should be null. As usual we are creating a new node, and temp dot data some data is there, node or pointer is equal to head. We are using while node, while dot next is not equal to 0, pointer will dot to next means it will go continuously. So pointer dot next is equal to temp. So the pointer is pointing to the new node, it is we can add it at end, pointer dot next is not equal to 0. So we are doing a operational adding at position means between, so we have done up to adding at and adding at beginning means if we want to add at any position like middle we are creating a temp new node, then temp dot data is equal to, if position is equals to 1 means we should the head should point to the new node. So temp dot next is equal to head is equal to temp, like that. If no means that node dot pointer is equal to head, like that. If we are using for loop for int I is equals to 1, I less than position minus 1, pointer not equals to 0, I plus plus, pointer dot next. If pointer is not equal to 0 there are less elements, else temp dot next is pointer dot next, it will go on. So in it will search for the position. We are using display operation, temp new node, temp is equals to head, we are designing a new node, temp is equals to head, while temp is not equal to 0 it will display, and void delete. For delete operation we are deleting a node dot old is equals to head, in temp delete head it will delete. So if it is not equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, this means we can't delete, no, that's why this list is empty. Else if we are using if temp dot data is equal to number, head is equal to temp dot next, temp is equal to temp dot, as usual it contains data, and delete temp. Else while old dot next is not equal to 0, old dot next dot, if old dot next dot is equal to number, temp is equal to old dot next. That's all. We are defining in time while as we are doing so many operations, we are using switch case and break switch case for everything. Let's run the program and see. So I am selecting an operation insert at the beginning. I am adding 12. So again I am inserted and I am selecting inserted an operation. So I am adding 50. So I am doing this operation. So it's showing this 1250. Like that we can do every operation.